Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to check Redmi A5 version. So to do this, you go to settings and after that, scroll down until you find about phone. Open it, and as you can see here, you will find all the information needed about your phone, like the build number and also like the model of your phone and everything you need, and the Android version and everything that you need about your phone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe in our channel. Don't forget to like this video and see you in the next one.